Hello there, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a kit that I ended up picking up from VolksUSA.com. And that kit, which is still wrapped in bubble wrap because I haven't taken a look at it yet, is the Knight of Gold AT V2. And this is in 1/100 scale. Now, some backstory. I haven't actually done a 5-star stories kit myself. My friend John actually had the LED Mirage sent over to me, and I ended up starting on it. You guys may have ended up seeing that back there, and I never ended up finishing it or doing any more work on it because I felt bad. He gave me free reign to go ahead and build it and everything, but a lot of these are not like Bandai kits. You have to glue a lot of these parts together, and I didn't want to ruin that experience for him. Plus, I know that he wanted to paint it, and if you put it all together and glue it all together, a lot of times it's a pain in the butt to paint afterwards. So I didn't want to take that joy away from him. This is going to be my first 5-star stories kit build. And this is the new version. Now, this retails for $99 over at VolksUSA.com. And the pre-order was open, and the release date is around June 18th or so. It was originally in September, but evidently they got them in. Now, unfortunately, it says over there that it is completely sold out, or at least the pre-order is sold out. If you're so interested, you can go over and check it out. I will try and remember to put a link down below, but like I said, it's VolksUSA.com. It's the USA distributor for Volks. You can also get your Gaia paints over there. They are more expensive than getting them at a retail shop such as Galactic or New Type or Gundam Pros. It is more expensive over there, but they usually ship out the same day. The customer service girls over there that I've talked to have been super nice. They have made accommodations, they've done some modifications, they've even called me to say, hey, we thought we had this many in stock, we didn't. Do you want us to compensate? Do you want us to refund the money? They just have phenomenal service. I haven't had a chance to deal with them overseas, just here in the US, but definitely head over, check them out. So without further ado, let's jump down to the table, take a look at what all comes in this box, and then I'm probably going to start working on it at some point. All right, boys and girls, I feel like a dumbass. I forgot to hit record when I was peeling off the bubble wrap and the tissue paper that was on here. I suck. But with that out of the way, let's get into the kit. So this is a Volks 100 injection assembly mortarhead series VS IMS 11 KOGAT Knight of Gold AT Type 2 Mirage. The model specs are 273 tall, 153 wide, and 237 in length, which I'm kind of confused about. Maybe it's counting the whatever these things are that hang off the back, and there are 502 parts. Now, one of the things I said in the original when I was peeling off all the wrapping and everything is it is nice. All the kits that end up coming from Japan all seem to have the same, like even the anime figures, they have tissue paper that are around them. Taking a look inside, it's nice they have a support in here just so your box and your kit does not get crushed. Now, it is my understanding from taking a look at some of these guys or people that have done unboxings that the majority of this is the same as V1 Knight of Gold, but there are a couple of new runners, mostly being the head and a couple of body part that end up getting changed around. But for the most part, if you've built one of these, you should already have it down. You do want to make sure that you have some modeler's glue handy because you're going to need it. Inside the package, you get 1, 2, and these are freaking huge, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and a thick instruction manual. So let me get these all out of the baggies, and then we will go through and I will show you, as I usually do, all the runners. All right, so here we are with the 5-star stories manual. We've got pages 2 and 3, and I believe everything in here is going to be in Japanese. So yeah, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 are some painting and showing where decals go. 34 and 35 is going to be your runner layout. And then you've got the back. Also included, you get a sheet of water slides. You also get a baggie of parts. There are 2 O-rings and then some screws and bolts in here. I'm not sure what those go to yet. All right, taking a look at the first runner here. This is runner A. This is going to, I think, going to be part of your chest parts. I'll be honest, I'm not sure where all these parts end up going. The injection molding, just like with the Bandai though, you do get the swirls. I think there's not much that you can get around with that on the gold on here. And of course, this whole kit is gold, so I would highly recommend painting it. Runner B, you get more parts, and I'm pretty sure that these are leg parts over here. This is pretty much all armor on here, and there are a ton of panel lines and stuff for detailing. So if you love detailing kits and everything, these are going to be the kits for you. Runner C, this is again going to be in that muted gold, and some of the swirls are okay. They're not bad. You do get a couple of different shades of gold on here. But you get like some midsection pieces, some joints. Runner D, you get 2 of, and this is going to be in a little bit shinier gold. You also get the sword, so that means there's actually 2 of them since there's 2 runners. You get armor pieces. I think these are for the shoulders over here. Runner E, this is going to be the new runner for the head. So you have these pieces. If you've seen the old Knight of Gold, you'll know that the crest was rounded, and this one is more emperor-like, I guess you want to end up saying. But yeah, details on here are phenomenal. Runner F, you get 2 of. Runner G, you get 2 of. These are going to be going back to that muted gold. This has a little bit different shine to it. Runner H, you have 2 of, and these are those the tail whip things that hang off of the back of him. And again, I am not real familiar with the series itself. I just know that I like some of the designs a lot. This is going to be Runner J, and this is going to be looks like some leg pieces on here. You have lots of these vents and everything. Runner K, this is more in a coppery gold, and I'm not seeing any swirls in this one, but it appears to be all the hands. Runner L, still in that coppery gold. These are going to be some of your joints and stuff. Runner M, there's 2 of, still in that kind of coppery gold. More joints, more bits and bobs. I am not even sure where all these pieces end up going. Runner P, this is going to be a polycap runner, and this is going to be in a gold. And Runner Z is another polycap runner. Last but not least is going to be this piece, and I believe I saw that this is for the chest, and this is the new inner core, I guess, or inner frame for the chest. But again, some great detail on there. So in closing, 20 gold runners, a baggie of parts, some water slides, and an instruction manual. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm sorry if there's been a ticking sound. It is hot as Hades right now, and I have the AC going. I can't turn it off for the sound. I love you guys, but I do not want to be swaying to death while recording video. I want to thank you guys all for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. Appreciate you, love you, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace.